Hi, my name is Bo Stenberg from the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences, and together with Maria Knadel at Aarhus University, I coordinate the EGP soil project Probefield, a novel protocol for robust in-field monitoring of carbon stock and soil fertility, based on proximal sensors and existing soil spectral libraries. The general scope of Probefield is to develop quick and simple methods to analyze soil properties directly in the field. That is, without the need to bring in soil to the lab. We have limited the project to proximal sensors, that is, sensors we bring into the field, handheld or operated from a vehicle. Another EGP soil project, Steropes, is instead looking into the use of remote sensing, mainly satellites. There are many proximal sensors to choose from, and we will not exclude any per se. But since we regard visible and near-infrared spectroscopy to have the greatest potential, that technique will have our main focus. Especially clay minerals and organic matter is known to absorb with specific signatures in the visible and near-infrared spectral region. Probefield's ultimate goal is a protocol for best practice for soil mapping directly in the field. Collecting spectra from soil in the field is very simple and can be done in seconds, but we appreciate that to collect a good spectrum that we can extract the needed information from is a different matter. First of all, calibrations built from known samples are needed, and for that databases or soil spectral libraries are needed. Over the last decades or so, several such libraries have been built, but almost exclusively under controlled lab conditions with sieved and dry soil. For example, soil moisture has a large impact on spectra, as indicated by the diagram, but also structure has an effect. To build similar libraries from moist soil under field conditions is not realistic, especially since I also should cover a range of moisture contents and a variety of surface structures. Instead, our strategy to meet this mismatch between soil spectral libraries and field spectra is to develop and test procedures in the field that will resemble those in the lab. That might involve slight drying of the soil surface and/or a simple preparation of measured surface area. In addition, we will apply mathematical transformations with the ability to remove the artifacts of in-field conditions and match field spectra to the soil spectral libraries. And finally, we will fuse spectral data with other sensors and available information for the best possible estimates of soil properties. Especially for 3D mapping and carbon stock, additional information will be crucial, as also density and soil depth will be required information and not extractable from spectra. Finally, some general facts about Probefield. It is a 3-year project with a total budget of almost 1.85 million euros and is fairly recently started. In addition to Sweden and Denmark, 10 countries are participating, those in green in the map. The different green colors refer to different types of spectral libraries available for the project. At present we are working on 2 review manuscripts and on method development. Thank you.